Germarel Power.
Hello, this is UPS Germarel 5kVA frequency converter. As you can see, this is the power mentioned, and the input and output phases is just like this. And also, after this device, for the output, there is an isolation transformer for two options. But first, let me explain you the device. This is the connection terminal, and this is the bypass and the input switches of the device. Now there is a device that connected just for you for the test. First of all, we are just turning on the input. Device starting just like automatically. The input and the bypass maker is on position behind the device. By pressing these two buttons, I am turning on the device. After the device turned on, you will see this red button will be lit. That means that device will give output for its load. As you can see, this is the output voltage. This is the frequency of the device, and the red light is lit. It means that there is an energy on the output side. As you requested, there are 8 transformers with 3 breakers and 2 transformers with 4 breakers, and they are not GFCI, they are just breakers as you just requested. And you can see also the label for input and output voltages on the transformer, and it's just like that.
Germarel Power.